welcome back to our channel. This is Diamond Lady. Ooh, ooh. And today we're going to share with you one of our salad recipes. Enjoy! These are the ingredients we're going to use. We're using cherry tomatoes, mushrooms, black olives, green olives, walnuts, radish, mozzarella cheese, lettuce, spring onions, cucumber, pomegranate seeds, celery, avocado, tuna chunks in oil, bird's eye chili, and olive oil. We're going to start with the cutting of the avocado. I love avocado in my salad. This avocado was such a unique one. Look at the seed. I was able to cut through. That was shocking actually. So avocado has a lot of health benefits, and today I don't think I want to be giving you more and more of health benefits. You can find that online yourself. I love avocado, and I love it when I put it on my face as well. Next is the cutting of the celery. How do you like to cut your celery? Sometimes I just leave it as a whole stick and I chew on it. I sprinkle it with a bit of salt and it is so tasty. It is very lovely when you add it to soups as well. Well, I also love it in my salad. Next is the radish. I always love radish in my salad. Well, if I don't have it all the time, I don't really mind, but it's nice in salads. You should try it. Are you a cheese person like me? I love all sorts of cheese. I love the brie, I like the mozzarella. I love every cheese. Any cheese at all. So this is mozzarella and I like it in my salad. Next is cutting into pieces the mushrooms. I know lots of people don't like mushrooms in their salad, but I can eat mushrooms raw or cooked. I don't really mind, and it tastes so delicious combined with brie in salads. How do you like your cucumber in the salad? Do you like it diced, or do you like it shaped round form, or do you like it as cucumber steaks? I don't really mind. I'm excited about the salad. Next is the spring onion. I am cutting it or chopping it roughly so that I can add it to my salad, and today I'm not adding any red onions in there. Have you also been growing some tomatoes? Well, this is the tomatoes I grew myself. I love cherry tomatoes, so I got these green ones from the plant because I like to see a mix of colors on my plate. These are my homegrown lettuce as well. I have a veg box and I love growing all sorts. So I'll be adding in the tuna chunks, and I've drained a bit of the oil away. So this is my arrangement. I don't know how you make yours. I usually like to have the green bit at the bottom and then build it up from there, making it all very colorful. I love my salads. I've got different unique salads I make all the time. Well, this is just a simple salad that anybody else can make, isn't it? What I'm going to add in there is the olives. I know most people don't like olives, but I love olives. And next is the radish, and you can see the color all coming up already. Now I'm going to add my avocado. I don't want to cut it into pieces today. Then I'm adding in there my cherry tomatoes. Look at how colorful it is already. I've added some hard-boiled egg and now my walnuts. Sometimes I replace the walnuts with almonds. Now I'm adding in there my tuna chunks, and then is the pomegranate seeds. I'm going to sprinkle the whole salad with the bird's eye chili, which I have already crushed up. This is looking colorful, isn't it? Then I will be drizzling it with the olive oil and it will be so ready to be eaten. This is my delicious salad. Feast your eyes for a bit. salad is so summer worthy, isn't it? I love my salads. Oh my word, I can't wait to dig into this. Hope you'll be making one for yourself soon. Come and join us soon on Sister Eat Fit Lose. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.